Hi there. Also here, the assassin. This week's acronym is GA or Google Analytics. Yeah. In the first incarnation, Google had an analytics platform called UA, Universal Analytics. And they tinkered with this for many years to make improvements to it. And then a couple of years ago, they threw that out and introduced a brand new platform called GA4, Google Analytics 4, which took a little while for all of us to get used to, but they've added some significant improvements in the form of the tag manager and the options and the flexibility it gives you. So Google Analytics is very important to measure the marketing, the digital marketing that you're doing, especially about the website performance, because it can tell you where the traffic is coming from, whether it's coming from Google search, from Google ads, from social media, from email marketing, from direct. But also it's very important to make sure that you have your analytics set up to track events. Now, these used to be called conversions. They're now called events because they do track things other than just a conversion. And by conversion, when someone purchases a product from your website or downloads something that you want them to download in exchange for their information, or if they fill out a contact form or they phone you from your website. So those are generally conversions, but there's other events that you might want to track as well. Going to particular pages or clicking on certain links that are important to measure how well a campaign is working. So Google Analytics, super important that you get it set up correctly, and also that you regularly review how the analytics is working. Now, as I've banged on about for months and years, marketing is a bunch of experiments. It's a mix of data and creativity. It's about science and creativity. So there is a certain amount of stuff we will get from the data, but on the front end of that, you'll be changing the media that you're attempting to market with. You'll be changing the parameters of perhaps the target audience that you're going after, and you'll also be changing the creative, whether that's the words on your Google ads or the images on other advertising that you've got, to try and find out which ones work the best. And what you'll see in the back end is through Google Analytics, how well those things are working. Each of those little changes that you make, how well they're working, and what to stop doing, what to keep doing, and what to change. Very important. And it's not just the data, because I've seen for years where SEO consultants and advertising people will send their clients reams and reams of PDF or printed reports out of Google Analytics and say, there you go. There's more to it than that. It takes a lot of time and experience to work out from that data some insights into what you should be doing to change, what you should keep doing, what you need to stop doing, what you need to change. So it's very important that you get insights from this data. So there you go. Google Analytics, super important for your website and measuring your marketing, and super important that it's set up correctly and it aligns with what you're trying to achieve. As always, if you're not happy with the way it's set up, you're unsure about what sort of insights you could make from the data that you're getting, reach out, we'll have a look and give you some advice. Thanks.